Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to open our contact list, so for example through the dialer, and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and pick this profile picture. As you can see, you've got two different options, so you can pick either the camera and your device will open the camera app so you can take a photo, or you can select the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and of course give all the permissions, find the photo we'd like to use. And here in this step you can frame it, you can position this highlighted square just like you want to. Unfortunately you cannot zoom it in or out, but you can change the size of it. So position it and then confirm it with the confirmation mark in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied, so to confirm everything, tap on the stick icon again. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.